You can see the stately Sri Jagannath Mandir on the way from the Green Park on the Arvind Marg, the main thoroughfare in South Delhi, to the Hauj Khas village through the Arvind Market, on the side of the road. Its unique craftsmanship is beautiful. Prabhu Sudarshan along with Mahaprabhu Sri Balbhadra, Sri Jagannath and Goddess Subhadra, the eternal names of the Odia nation and Utkaliya culture, are worshipped as adoration deities at the temple's Ratnavedi. In addition, the main entrance to the temple is the venerable Sri Ganesh and Mahadev temples, while the side deities are Ma Mahalakshmi, Ma Vimla and Ma Tarini is worshipped in a magnificent temple surrounded by natural beauty. Organized by the Sri Nilachal Seva Sangh, the temple is home to a variety of festivals and pilgrimages throughout the year, according to the rituals, principles and legal traditions of the Puri Shri Mandir. So let's take a look of some memories on some experiences at the various festivals and pilgrimages celebrated in 2021. At the beginning of the year and on the first day of the new year, wishing the happiness, prosperity, peace, and well-being of self and families, the expatriate Orias come to the temple to pay homage to the idols, to protect the people from the scourge of the corona, and to normalize public life and beg the Lord Jagannath for mercy. Happy New Year 2021! For the new year, the Sri Jagannath temple is decorated with various flower wreaths, while the temple secretary Mr. Rabindra Pradhan, the vice president Mr. Gajendra Prasad Samant, the joint secretary Mr. Ashok Pradhan, the treasurer Mr. Pankaj Mohanty, the member Mr. Ashok Pradhan, Mr. Rankonidhi Sahu, accompanied by other dignitaries and led the peace process. On 16th of February, the Panchami Tithi of Shukla Paksha as the 43rd foundation day of the Sri Jagannath temple was celebrated with devotion and reverence. On this occasion, the entire temple was decorated with colorful garlands. The temple secretary Mr. Rabindra Pradhan and his wife, Mrs. Sabita, attended the Homo Yagya in the morning in front of the temple. The priest of the temple Mr. Debabrata Mishra, Nana Mr. Sanatan Padhi, Nana Mr. Jagbandhu Das, Mr. Premanand Satpathy, Mr. Santosh Panda chanted the mantra including Mahuti and chanted Purnahuti in the evening. Agni Utsav or Agira Purnima. This year, as in previous years, the traditional Agni Utsav was held on February 26 in the outer courtyard of the temple with worship Chaiti festival and Pana Sankranti at Sri Jagannath temple. While a Homo Puja was observed at Ma Tarini near the temple, keeping a closing eye to Corona followed the COVID guidelines, Ma Bimla and Ma Tarini were worshipped inside the temple enclosure and devotees were distributed Pana outside and in front of the main gate of the temple, keeping social distance. Chariot wood worship and Akshaya Tritiya. Sri Nilachal Seva Sangha and Sri Jagannath Mandir celebrated the Akshaya Tritiya in accordance with the traditional rituals of making wood suitable for the construction of new chariots. Rath Yatra, Car Festival. Mahaprabhu Sri Jagannath Temple, founded by Sri Nilachal Seva Sangh in the national capital, Delhi, Rath Yatra has been also celebrated since 1979. And with millions of devotees attending it every year, the 2021 Rath Yatra was celebrated last year in the presence of temple services, temple officials, and a handful of devotees, in view of the epidemic of the corona as in 2020 and following the government's guidelines, made history for the Sri Jagannath culture and the Sri Nilachal Seva Sangh. Only the rules and traditions were preserved, and in a small chariot, the idols were lined up in rows. After the temple secretary Mr. Rabindra Pradhan completed the Chhera Pehngra policy, the road in front of the chariot temple came back to the temple just a few steps later. Independence Day. The 75th Independence Day of the country was celebrated on the 15th of August 2021 in the garden adjacent to the temple in view of the epidemic corona. The function was attended by Temple Secretary Mr. Rabindra Pradhan, Vice President Mr. Gajendra Prasad Samant, a member of the temple and a senior lawyer of the Supreme Court Mr. Jitendra Mohapatra, Mr. Santosh Raut, and another temple official Mr. Rashmi Ranjan Behera. Janmashtami. On the Ashtami of the month of Shravan, the birth anniversary of Mahaprabhu Sri Madan Mohan was celebrated with reverence and devotion. The 2-day Ashtaprahar Nam Yagya was held on the occasion. All policies were implemented in the view of COVID cuts. Durga Puja. On the Ashtami saying of the Shardiya Durga Puja, Ma Bimla had a Chandi recitation with a homo and special puja was held and the Pana was worshipped as Bhogo. Congratulations from Sri Nilachal Seva Sangh to Padma Shri awardee and the talented people who have been awarded the Padma Vibhushan. Honoring the state's talented people who have done outstanding work in their respective fields and have made a name for themselves in the state and who have earned the Padma Shri and the Padma Vibhushan from the Honorable President, he wished them a prosperous future by giving them flowers and accessories. The function was attended by Temple Secretary Rabindra Pradhan, Joint Secretary Ashok Pradhan, members Jitendra Mohapatra and Ajay Pradhan, Santosh Raut. Kartik Purnima Festival. Sri Jagannath is a combined idol of splendor and exquisiteness. The Rajdhiraj Shunabesh, golden coronation apparel, of Lord Jagannath is celebrated on the occasion of the holy Kartik Purnima. In keeping with these principles and traditions, the temple, run by Sri Nilachal Seva Sangha, was seen to reflect the splendor of Lord Jagannath on the eve of the last holy Kartik Purnima. Visitors were treated to a dance performed by students and teachers of Veena Pani Kala Niketan from Anandpur in Kendujhar on this occasion.
Chhaya Ramana Namami Gantvari Sarva Karanam Sahasrabahu Parishobhitam.
The symbolic Boito Bandhano festival, which has been celebrated for the past few years in the artificial ponds around the temple, has been celebrated with reverence and enthusiasm for the past few years with the aim of educating the younger generation in this regard, as well as educating the next generation of Utkal traders on the river. Wife of Union Minister for Education and Skills Development Dharmendra Pradhan Mrs. Mridula Thakur Pradhan, attended the function as a guest at the temple premises in the morning by Sankho, Hula Huli, Ghanti, the bell, etc., and floated the handmade boats of wood and thermocol by narrating about the mystery of Kartik Purnima. The function was attended by Executive President Mr. Bighnaswar Raut, Secretary Mr. Rabindra Pradhan, Treasurer Mr. Pankaj Mohanty, Member Mr. Ashok Pradhan, Member and Lawyer Mr. Jitendra Mohapatra. Dev Deepavali Festival. According to the rules and traditions of the Puri Shri Mandir, on the Chaturdashi, Amabhasya and Pratipada of the month Margashir, the Deva Deepavali celebrating, and on the eve of the day on behalf of Nilachal Seva Sangh, the Deepavali of Mahaprabhu was performed in accordance with the traditional rites. On this occasion, the entire temple was decorated with lamps, and after the 3 days of evening incense, the priest put white robe to Lord Jagannath, performed the other rituals of giving lamps and worship to the ancestors. Sadness case. There was a tragic event for Nilachal Seva Sangh in 2021. Mr. Basudev Patra, a long-time associate of the temple and joint secretary of the Sri Nilachal Seva Sangh, expressed his deepest condolences at the executive meeting over his untimely demise in corona and prayed for the peace of his immortal soul.